Hi, my name's Xtine. I'm a food writer. I post new videos several times a week, and it's feeling very fall outside. So today I'm going to be making my favorite bean and beer chili. This is based on the Thug Kitchen recipe, which has since been rebranded to be called Bad Manners instead. It's just a cookbook where they swear a lot. That's all vegan. And the chili itself is going to be vegan, but I'm going to put regular cheese on top at the end. So choose your own adventure. I'm taking inspiration from that Bad Manners recipe, but I've made this so many times that I'm going to be taking my own liberties here and there. One of the liberties I'm going to be taking is adding a spicy, spooky pepper. I grew all of these scorpion peppers in my backyard this year, and I'm gonna put one of these in the chili and see what happens. Should we get a Scoville level check? I'll look up the Scovilles on these. Scorpion peppers, hello?
Okay, so this clueless bitch has no idea it's actually called a Trinidad Scorpion Butch tea pepper, and it's one of the hottest peppers in the world. It was the hottest pepper in the world in 2011. It's called a scorpion pepper because of the tail that looks like a scorpion's tail, and also because danger. This pepper ranks between 800,000 and 1.4 million Scoville heat units, and for context, a jalapeno is usually between 2,500 and 8,000 Scovilles. Now we've got a bunch of other stuff to chop up. First, 2 medium bell peppers.
Just a quick scorpion pepper update. I was wearing gloves when I sliced it, but I've since touched the cutting board with my bare hands and then itched my nose, and now my nose is burning. So that's fun. The fire I feel on my face, I'm excited to have in my gut.
Now I'm chopping up a zucchini. And 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to mince these.
I'm also going to chop up these 3 kind of sad carrots. Chili is a great way to clean out your fridge.
Let's cook.
Please don't mind my very unsatisfying drizzle of olive oil. We need about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more.
And here's 1 medium onion. You didn't see me chop this because I did it last week in a video where I tried Gordon Ramsay's method to slice an onion without crying. Let this cook in the oil for 5 to 7 minutes until it starts to get a little brown. Now add the bell peppers, the zucchini, our spooky scorpion pepper, carrots, and stir it all together. We're going to let these cook together for 5 minutes so they can start to get soft.
Just another scorpion pepper update. I can't stop sneezing, and I think that's because of the heat. And also I'm panicking that I got a little bit of the hot pepper juice on my engagement ring because I feel like it really started irritating my finger. Just continuing to cook this chili and not freak out, but everything I touch is burning.
Okay, time for garlic. Get that in there and stir it around. And now we're going to add a bunch of spices. Chili powder first, and I'm going hard with this. Then paprika, about 1 teaspoon. Oregano, at least a teaspoon of this too. Cumin, a teaspoon. And some salt. Stir to coat all of the veggies in the spices, and it's going to start smelling really amazing. Oh yeah, and we're putting beer in this too.
Oh no, oh, okay.
1 cup of beer. Now 6 ounces of tomato paste. That's a whole one of those tiny cans they sell. 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. And 1 cup of broth. I'm using a vegan chicken broth. Stir until everything is well combined, and then let those ingredients simmer together for 5 minutes. Now it's time for all of our beans. I'm using several different varieties and hominy. You can use whatever beans you like, but some variety is nice. Stir those in there. And then turn the heat down to medium-low and cover your pot.
Okay, I've had to open a window in my kitchen because I've maced myself. The skin on my hands is burning, and I can't stop sneezing. But we're going to let our chili simmer for 30 minutes with a lid on, over medium-low heat. And then we're gonna taste it and see how we're doing. In the meantime, I'm going to rub my hands in some vegetable oil or something.
I thought I was gonna sneeze again.
Okay, we're good. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. I've tried olive oil, lemon juice, and dish soap to stop the burning on my hands. They're still burning. Now is the time in the chili making process when, if we've done something a little bit bad, if it's too hot, if it's not hot enough, I'm not worried about that today. But that sort of thing needs more spices, what have you. We can do that now. So we're gonna give it a little taste, see how it is, make sure all the veggies are cooked, that kind of thing. Hot spoon coming at you. It's definitely spicy. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of maple syrup, just to, you know, take down the heat just a little bit. Let's try this again. It's still very spicy, but it's not like a smack you in the face spicy, it's a late heat. You've chewed, you enjoyed the flavors in your mouth, you're swallowing, and then you're a little bit like, oh.
Okay, she is pretty though. I'm topping with cheese, a dollop of vegan sour cream, and green onions.
Well, we've been through a lot. I burned my hands, maced my apartment, my camera's about to die. But this is a really beautiful bowl of chili. There is a really good depth of flavor in here. It's hot, but it's hot in a fun way. You know what? It was worth it. There's a spider web on one of them. But where is the spider?